Hello friends, how are you doing? I hope everyone will be fine. So friends, I am from Driver Jobs in Toronto, Canada from Facebook page and YouTube page. So guys, in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Toronto and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So this time now I'm showing today's latest job. So guys, this is new and updated job. Urgent AZ drivers required in Toronto. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. Urgent AZ drivers required in Toronto. Need owner operators, need AZ drivers, teams and solo. We provide better mileage rates than our competitors with a complete pay package for our drivers, including pick and drop off payments, layover payments, etc. 2019 and newer automatic trucks, brand new and well maintained equipment with no breakdown headache. Steady miles every week, 3,000 plus clean easy Texas and Florida runs. Weekly paycheck after every trip. Performance bonus for drivers with safe conduct. Please email or call with your experience detail and availability. 24/7 dispatch. If you have an AZ driver's license and would like to drive long miles to us, so call this number and send your updated CV to this email address. So guys, these are the details and requirement for the job. So owner operators and AZ drivers required. So if anyone interested in this job, so you must have a previous experience and must have a AZ driver license, and you can eligible for this job and you can easily apply. So guys, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated CV with driving license details to this email address. And if you have any question about this job, so you can contact this number and ask question. So guys, salary and benefits not mentioned in the details, so it will be discussed at the time of interview. So guys, I hope you understand. So guys, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our Facebook page and you can also visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update. So guys, you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply for the job. So guys, applying process is very easy. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply any job. So guys, these link given in the video description on YouTube page, and also new jobs links available in the description, so you can directly apply for the job. So guys, I hope you understand these step and process, so it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for new updated video notification. So friends, thank you. Thanks for watching.